Whoa.
Hi guys, it's Lara here, and today we're doing crafts. We're making a dog face card. This is my big brother Reuben.
Hello.
He's the one who taught me how to make a dog face card. There are only 3 things we need to make it. Paper, pencils, or whatever utensils you need, and scissors. Now let's begin the craft. First you need to fold it like this, and then cut it in, so you have a circle, a square, and a rectangle. Square. So now you need to fold down the ears. So this is basically the dog. So these are the ears. And as you can see, it looks like a dog face with a very pointy chin. Yeah, you fold it backwards as well. Now, you decorate. The most cutest guy in the world, don't you think, Reuben?
No.
Dun, 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 dun. That's Reuben's. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and like and subscribe your dog as well.
And do thumbs up.
I said that.
And